Hi children, welcome back once again in today's class. Today we are going to see Unit 2nd Reading B. What is a player? What is a player? Who is called a player? Who is a real player? What qualities do you find in a real player? There are many players. Do you call everyone a player? What features, what qualities do you find in a true player? Let us see in the text. What is a player? Ready? Written by Jessica Taylor. Now see here, I would just make a column in two sides. See, what is a player? But what I say, instead of this heading, I say, what is a true player? True player. Who is called a true player? Let us see. Means, what are the qualities of a true player? You have to answer of this question if it is asked based on the text. Right? Come to the point. What are the qualities? A player is one who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat. Doesn't give up. Means doesn't stop. Doesn't give up. One quality. Doesn't give up at the sight of defeat. At the sight of defeat. You see, if you fail once in doing some work, if you fail in your work, then you will think that definitely you can't do it and you will stop doing the things. But a true player doesn't give up, doesn't stop at the sight of a defeat. Okay. మరి ఏం చేస్తారు? What does he do? But learns from their mistakes and puts them beneath. But learns from the mistake. Another quality, learns from the mistake. Learns from the mistakes. అంటే చూడండి, a true player, a real player doesn't give up at the sight of defeat, but he learns from the mistakes. What mistake did he commit in previous effort? That's why he get failure. Right? He thinks, what are the reasons behind the defeat? ఎందుకు ఓడిపోయాను? What is the reason? He finds the reasons behind his failure and he learns from the mistake. తప్పులు ఎక్కడ జరిగినాయి, ఆ తప్పులు సరిదిద్దుకొని ముందుకు వస్తాడు. అది రియల్ ప్లేయర్, ట్రూ ప్లేయర్. But he doesn't give up at the sight of defeat, but he learns from his mistake. That's first quality. Next, a player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer. Doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer. Doesn't give up sound of the buzzer. Okay, buzzer. Sound of a buzzer means while you are putting your efforts to get success, to reach success, and if you found some difficulties in it, oh, I can't get it. I can't reach my goal. I can't succeed in my efforts. When such a feelings come in your mind, thought comes in your mind, that is called buzzer, which stops you, which creates a hindrance in your thoughts. Okay, that is called buzzer. But a true player doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer. Okay, ఏదో నీకు భయపెట్టిస్తే ఎన్ని భయపడి పారిపోవు. హూ? ట్రూ ప్లేయర్. మరి ఏం చేస్తారు? వాట్ డస్ దే డూ? ఆల్వేస్ గివింగ్ వాట్ దే హ్యావ్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద కోర్ట్ టు ద అదర్. అని ఏం చేస్తాడు? ఎస్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యు సీ, suppose you are running. Suppose you are a runner. Okay, you are competing in the running race, right? And this is a margin. This is the margin. And now see, he is running with high speed, but other people are overtaking him, going with high speed. They are overtaking him. And this fellow again running. Now see, many participants aheading him. అప్పుడేమవుతుంది, ఓ మై గాడ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్, ఐ కాంట్ విన్ ద రేస్ అనుకొని నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఆగిపోతే, ఇఫ్ యూ స్టాప్ హియర్, స్టాప్ యువర్ ఎఫర్ట్స్, యూ కాంట్ విన్ ఇట్. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కాల్డ్ ట్రూ ప్లేయర్. ఈయన ఏం చేస్తాడు, దో ద అదర్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ రన్నింగ్, అదర్ పార్టిసిపెంట్ అథ్లెట్స్ ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ విత్ హై స్పీడ్, హీ జస్ట్ వర్క్స్ అంటిల్ ద end of the, you see, one side of the and other side. This is one side, that is the other side, this is the margin. The true player doesn't give up, doesn't stop. They have from one side of the court to the other side, means until the player who doesn't stop his putting efforts until he cross the other side of the margin court, he is called a true player. ఎంతమంది పరిగెస్తే, ఇఫ్ హీ ఈజ్ లాగింగ్ బ్యాక్, హీ డజంట్ థింక్ దట్ హీ విల్ నాట్ విన్. దట్ ఈస్ అ ట్రూ ప్లేయర్. హీ జస్ట్ పుట్స్ హిస్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ అంటిల్ హీ గోస్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ కార్నర్ ఆఫ్ ద వన్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద కోర్ట్ టు అదర్ సైడ్. అంటే లాస్ట్ మూమెంట్ దాకా పడితే ఉంటాడు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ట్రూ ప్లేయర్, రైట్? అనదర్ క్వాలిటీ సి, a player is one who doesn't whine about their play time. Doesn't whine means complain. Whine, W-H-I-N-E, whine, complain. Complain. Doesn't whine. Okay, next quality, doesn't whine. Doesn't whine about the playtime. Doesn't whine, complain cheyadu. Means one who is not a true player, he always complains. While suppose you are playing a cricket, you are not good player, but you say, oh, this bat is not nice, the ball is not nice, okay, everything's fine, oh, stumps are not nice, okay, stumps are given, oh, ground is very rough. You see, one who is not a good player, he whines always about while playing, whines. But who is a true player, he doesn't whine. Doesn't whine. Whine means complain about anything during their practice, right? Because a player knows it is an unacceptable crime. He knows whining at the time of a play is a kind of unacceptable crime ani antadu. That's why a true player doesn't whine at the time of a play or a game. A player is one who practices game speed. One who practices game speed. One who practices game speed. Always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. ఒకసారి చూడండి స్టూడెంట్స్, I give a small example. Suppose there is a tall mango tree, and there are many mangoes or a few mangoes loaded on the branches. You want only one mango, and you have to throw the stones at the mangoes to get the mango down. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? will take only one stone. మీకు ఒక mango కావాలి కదా, then to get one mango, will you take only one stone to throw at it? How many stones will you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, how many? Yes. The true player, what does he do? He collects many stones. ఎందుకు అంటే he doesn't know that the first effort will give him mango with one stroke. Okay, means if he missed one stone, If he missed one strike, he will take another stone to hit the strongly for the next time. The true player is the same. Okay. What he said, always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. నేను ఒక్క రైతో ఒక మ్యాంగో కింద తీసుకొస్తా అంటే highly impossible. That is overconfidence. And తెలుసు, I can't get one mango with one stone. That's why he collects many stones. And the true player is like that one. A player is one who doesn't settle for anything less. Anything less. Yes, a true player is that one who doesn't settle for anything less. ఒక్కసారి ఆలోచించండి స్టూడెంట్స్, యు ఆర్ ద బ్రైటెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ దట్ ఐ థింక్. మీరు చాలా మంచివారు, ఇంటెలిజెంట్ ఫెలోస్, రైట్? యువర్ క్వాలిటీ ఈస్ టు బికమ్ అన్ ఐఏఎస్ ఆఫీసర్, ఐఏఎస్ ఐపీఎస్ ఆఫీసర్. You have such quality to get the first rank. You have such quality, you can get a first rank if you wished, right? And if you are a real player, he doesn't accept a second rank. Be careful. I have a quality of getting first rank, then why should I settle for the second rank? Enduku? You have learned in previous lesson, you see. Who is second? Who is the previous? Michael Stone. What did he say? Why should I stop? Why should I stop for the second prize if I have quality of getting first prize? Right. As students, I recall now, I stopped a second lesson in half. I will continue after this poem is over. Right, okay? Right. Next period I will continue it. Right. As a Michael Stone, he said that there are only two members at the end, participant, and if he has quality of getting first, why should he settle for the second one? That is a true player. Meeru kuda, you two are the best students, that's why your quality to get the first rank, then why you settle for the second one? Don't accept it. You should be first one, work for that one. Right. And see here, a player is one who doesn't settle for anything less, even knowing that they are not the best. Okay. We know that my economic condition is very poor, my parents are very poor, my parents are illiterate, my health is not helping me to get a first rank. Though they know these all things, the children don't settle for the less one, right? They want whatever they have quality, right, equal to that one. They will be the ones you see outside practicing, right? You will see true players will be always practicing outside in any situation. You see, what situation are there? Day or night, rain or shine. Day or night, ratra deenam వాళ్ళకి ఏముండదు. Whether it is a bright sunshine, hot summer or a rainy season, it doesn't matter for the true players. They always go on practicing outside of the door. Those are true players. They are the ones running on hurt ankles, admitting they are fine. Hurt ankles, A-N-K-L-E-S, ankles. Do you know the meaning of ankle? A-N-K-L-E. Bony part of the foot. Point where foot joins to the leg. To the leg. It's a bony point. It is called here ankle. Means though there is a twist, though there is a pain in their joint here at the ankle, they say that they are fine, but they never whine. They say we are fine, and again they put their efforts for reaching the goal, to reach the goal. A player is one who has a strong, sensible mind. A player is one who has a strong and sensible mind. నేను సాధించాలి, చేసి చూపిస్తా అనేవాళ్ళు ట్రూ ప్లేయరే. భయపడేవాడు కాదు, పిరికి పందవాడు కాదు. నెవర్ పాండరింగ్ అబౌట్ ఫెయిలింగ్, ఓన్లీ కంటెంప్లేటింగ్ ప్రివైలింగ్. ఎస్, వాట్ ఈస్ సెడ్ హియర్? Never pondering about failing. Once you think you worked hard but you could not get the expected result. ఏం చేస్తాను నేను? ఓ నేను పడిపోయాను, నేను ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాను, I could not get it, I can't get, I will not be able to do this all things. You will think about only negative about you. That is called pondering about the failure. Pondering or the failure. But true player doesn't ponder over it. But he waits for the prevailing. Okay, he considers about the prevailing situation. Okay, ఈ టైం కూడా పోతుంది, డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ విల్ విన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎఫర్ట్ అనేవాడు ట్రూ ప్లేయర్. రైట్. నెవర్ పాండరింగ్ అబౌట్ ఫెయిలింగ్, ఓన్లీ కంటెంప్లేటింగ్ ప్రివైలింగ్. A player is one who doesn't chicken out. One who doesn't chicken out. True player doesn't afraid up. Chicken out means to decide not to do something because of fear. Okay, నేను ఓడిపోతానేమో, I may get failure, I may not be successful, that's why I will stop my efforts. That position is called, that condition is called, that situation is called chicken out. Okay, and see what is said here? A player is one who doesn't chicken out, who wants to be in the game when everything counts. Now that is a true player. That is a true player. It means there is a difference between the player and a true player. Right, and see, this fellow, a player is one who doesn't chicken out. Chicken out means here to decide not to do something because of a fear. And you I may defeated. I will give just once again example, the same example, running race. Okay, the same example you see, this fellow is running and many athletes are overtaking aheading him. They all went forward, he will not be winner of the game ankoni. If he stopped his efforts putting forward, definitely he will be defeated. But a true player, he just counts everything of the outside of the court, other side of the court. ఈ మార్జిన్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యేదాకా పరిగెత్తి ఉంటాడు. That is a true player. Means take your example, if you want to become an IAS or IPS officer, you have to work very hard. While you are preparing, you applied for the post, you came to that 10 lakhs candidates applied for the said post, which have only just 100 seats, 100 vacancies, 10 lakh people. Oh my God, I can't get it. అనేవాళ్ళు true student కాదు. Okay. Let the millions of people participate in, no problem. నీకే కావాలి ఒక్క సీట్ కదా, దానికోసం కష్టపడు, భయపడవద్దు. డెఫినెట్లీ నువ్వు సాధిస్తావు. యూ కెన్ అచీవ్ ఇట్. దట్స్ వై వన్ సీట్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ యూ. దట్స్ వై వర్క్ హార్డ్. డోంట్ స్టాప్ యువర్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ పుట్టింగ్ అంటిల్ ద లాస్ట్ మూమెంట్ కౌంట్స్. రైట్, డోంట్ స్టాప్ యువర్ ఎఫర్ట్స్. వర్క్ హార్డ్ అండ్ అచీవ్ యువర్ గోల్. Okay students, and this is the inspiring lesson, inspiring poetry, inspiring poem. Right, we talked about the player. ఒకసారి చూడండి, we talked about the player. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, if I instead of a player, if I took here what is a real student, అది మొత్తం మీకే వస్తుంది. A real student డజంట్ గివ్ అప్ అట్ ద సైట్ ఆఫ్ డిఫీట్. ఒక్కసారి ఫెయిల్ అయితే నేను వల్ల ఏం కాదు అనుకొని ఆగేవాడు రియల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కాదు. మనం ఏం చేస్తాడు? లెర్న్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద మిస్టేక్. ప్రీవియస్ ఎగ్జామ్లో వాట్ మిస్టేక్స్ I have committed, he finds out the mistakes and find the solutions over it, and again he put efforts forward positively with a great enthusiasm to achieve the success. Definitely that is a true student. A true student give up at the sound of the buzzer. A true student doesn't give the sound of the buzzer. You see, doesn't whine about the study. Oh, there is no light at home. There is not suitable place at home to study. My parents are not educated. They are disturbing me. I went to my friend's house yesterday night. I attended the party. These are all cock and bull stories. A real student doesn't whine about the study. Okay, study ఉంటుంది, సోషల్ లైఫ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది అది ఈక్వల్ ఉంటాయి, రెండు చేయాల్సిందే. ఎస్, ప్రాక్టీసెస్ గేమ్ స్పీడ్గా practices his reading speed, learning speed. A true student, okay, he doesn't chicken out about the defeat, right? And in this way, if you are putting there yourself, you will be a true player. If I took here as a teacher, it comes to me, right? You take everyone at that place. That is a true player, true students, true teacher, true Indian, true mother, true sister. You can take anything there. Okay, students, I think you could understand this poetry. Thank you. Have a nice day.